In this video, I'm going to be going over how to uninstall WordPress from Bluehost step by step from start to finish. This process will not only uninstall WordPress from Bluehost, but it will delete WordPress from Bluehost. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your WordPress site uninstalled and deleted from Bluehost. If you don't already have Bluehost, I provide a link in the description so you can get a Bluehost discount and save money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Let's get started with the Bluehost Uninstall WordPress tutorial. Once you log into Bluehost, you'll be here on the main Bluehost control panel homepage. Click Websites in the left side menu. It will now list out your websites below. Choose the website you want to uninstall WordPress for and click the Settings icon. Next, click Settings in the top menu area. Scroll down to the bottom of the Settings page. Under Site Management, you'll see Delete Content Only, Delete Site Permanently, and Remove WordPress Entirely. Now I want to cover all three options. The first option is Delete Content Only. This is if you want to remove everything from your WordPress website and start fresh, creating a new site using WordPress with the same URL and SSL. If you click the Delete Content Only button, a pop-up will show saying you are about to delete your website content. Your backups, SSL and site URL will all remain intact. However, your post, pages, media, users, and comments for the site will be deleted. This action cannot be undone. Copy and paste the URL found here and click the Delete button to proceed. The second option is Delete Site Permanently. You'll notice the Delete Site button I can't select. This is the case if you only have one WordPress website installed with Bluehost. I'm currently on the basic plan, so I can only have one website. If you have multiple WordPress websites, you can delete it here as long as it's not your primary website like you see for mine. I do want to mention that you'll completely lose your site if choosing this option. The third option is where you see Remove WordPress Entirely. This is if you want to completely remove and uninstall WordPress and use another method offered with Bluehost for building your website like Drupal, Magento, Joomla, or others. I'll click Remove WordPress. A pop-up will show up that says removing WordPress will result in the removal of all existing files in your directory. Ensure you have a backup of important data before proceeding. Click that you acknowledge the removal of existing files and confirm that you have saved backups locally or externally for important data. Click the Remove WordPress button. WordPress will become uninstalled. You've now successfully uninstalled WordPress from Bluehost. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.